Hello.
Hi.
Cocoberry's attacking me today. He's out for blood. So here's just me signing out. And so is Baby Joe. They all seem a little bit like they have an agenda today. See? Whoa, that was aggressive, very aggressive. That was, get out of here. This is what I'm going to do to you. So they don't always want me to be here. Oh, the bear. He's very aggressive. Trying to bite me. Baby Joe's trying to bite me. He's showing me what he wants to do to me with. See, because that's mine, and that's kind of a symbol of me. So, okay, here's an attempt to get out of here before I get eaten.